Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Windows Update error code 0x8007001f that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. That reads that there were prompts installing some updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help, and that should hopefully point you in the direction of this tutorial. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'm going to recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and search for Troubleshoot. Best match. She'll come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath Options, select the Other Troubleshooters option. And then underneath Most Frequent, at the bottom of this list, you want to select the Windows Update Troubleshooter. And give that a moment. And once that has concluded, go ahead and close out of here. Open up the search menu and type in CMD, best match. She'll come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'm going to have a couple of commands in the description of my video. Go ahead and copy the first one and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here. Right click on it, select edit and paste that in. Hit enter to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that has concluded, go ahead and close out of here. And you want to restart your computer. And then hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.